from anywhere, but please, you people should never eat in that house. They don't love me. Parents do that. True of us? Of this tree, thou shalt not eat. And Satan came to Eve. You know the story. And deceived Eve. Eve agreed. Eve ate the fruit. When he ate, Satan said, "Don't you see that this fruit is sweet?" Okay. God said, "The day you eat, you die." Eve, have you died? Eve said, "I've not died." God, this God. This God. Eating the fruit was not the agenda of the devil. Eating the fruit, am I talking to the church? Eating the fruit was not the agenda of the devil. The devil has an agenda. What is his agenda? He has seen the throne, the authority, the power that God gave to man. That was his target. He wanted to show God that the man you trusted can fail you and can disappoint you. And Satan targeted it. Now, if convinced Adam, the dog not see that when we eat we die. I have eaten. It's the sweetest fruit of all the fruits, but I have not died. Adam now look at her. You mean you've not died? But it's true. Actually, you are living. Did you eat it? He said, "Let me eat again." She ate. Did I die? He said, "No, you didn't die." But they didn't know that God was not talking about physical death. He was talking about spiritual death. Killing the free and cordial relationship before he eats. Man is no longer fulfilling the purpose through which I created him. Moving down.